How to use the Quick Bolus buttons. The Quick Bolus is a bolus which is programmed using the buttons on the Micropump. This bolus type lets you deliver a bolus when the diabetes monitor is not available or cannot communicate with the Micropump. It is possible to program the Quick Bolus amount in distinct increments. The basic setting for the Quick Bolus increment is 0.2 units. Thus, you can set the bolus amount to 0.2 units, 0.4 units, 0.6 units, and so on. If needed, you can change the Quick Bolus increment to 0.5, 1.0, or 2.0 units. Press and hold the two Quick Bolus buttons for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. After hearing the beep, simultaneously press both Quick Bolus buttons, once per increment, until the desired insulin dose has been reached. 3 seconds after the last button press, the Micropump will then confirm the number of button presses with 1 beep per press to confirm the amount of insulin entered. If you agree with the amount of insulin, press both Quick Bolus buttons again to deliver the bolus. The pump will confirm the start of the bolus delivery with a sound. If you do not confirm the Quick Bolus by pressing both buttons within 5 seconds, the programmed Quick Bolus will be cancelled and an according tone will be issued.